Hi, my name is Gerard Petersen. I'm the director here at Africa Inland Mission, South Africa. I'm also an experienced executive coach who's had the privilege to work with people in the corporate, in education, leaders in NPOs and organizations. What I've learned in journeying with these people is deep imprinted in the core of our being. We all have this deep desire to know, does our life make sense? Maybe you've had this unwhispered prayer at the back of your mind. Lord, I hope that all these unconnected islands of my life will hold together in your view. I remember when I was a young boy sitting at the feet of my grandfather when he was unable to walk. He used to do tapestry, and I remember watching him weaving all these loose threads together until it made one big picture that actually made sense. I think our lives is like that. We're looking for all these loose ends to come together, to be integrated, to make one big whole picture. One of the most important things on the journey of your life will be finding the right partners. Whether it's a marriage partner, whether it's a business partner, your partners are very important. At Africa Inland Mission, we've learned how important those partners are, that we're not alone on this planet. But we're into creating meaning in this life. And we have discovered our partners, the I4 Centre in Bellville, who've developed a pathway for business people, for entrepreneurs, for professionals, for people who's thinking about starting a new business or thinking about a new direction in their lives. It's called the Repurpose Your Business course. It's a 20-week journey where you get to learn to get to know South Africans from different parts of our communities, from different cultures, but all with one view in our lives, and that is that our lives that is God-given does make sense, and we want to impact on this world. We want to bring transformation in our communities and also bring this message of God's goodness and His life and His love to all people out there.
My name is Sheldon Alice and I'm part of the Rep course. The most exciting thing for me to travel at 40 kilometers here on a Tuesday night is the fact that there's a wealth of knowledge that we are receiving, kind of like a reconditioned mindset of running business or how to start or run your business. So yeah, for me the whole challenge in the mind of how traditional business has been running and how we ought to be running it according to biblical principles.
I think time and again it's clear that when we put God first in every aspect of business, that He is there and His presence is with us to lift the business up and to achieve what He would like for the place.
People don't understand how much impact they have in certain positions in an organization, in life, upon other people whom we don't even know who they are sometimes. They look up to us and we say something that destroys them or hurts them.
I think the crazy thing about this course is that they're teaching us to expect miracles. That's not normal for me. I was kind of groomed to kind of make things happen myself. But in this course, we are encouraged and motivated to, or inspired to expect miracles, and I'm experiencing them like I've never experienced them before.
At the end of this course, you will be in a position where we start looking at your business from planning point of view, from process point of view. We will also look at profit. We will discuss all the major ingredients that's part of a business to make sense, to come together. Even your family life, even your friendships does matter in business. And at the end of this 20-week journey, we will invite you to come and to say, this is my life. This is what I was created for. This is what I was called to do. After the 20 weeks, we invite you to come with us on a venture trip to a country to visit people who works from a faith-based perspective through their business and reach out to others to bring transformation in their communities.